In this video, I'll be showing you how to solve a Microsoft Outlook problem. If, for example, when you start Outlook, it's always starting in safe mode. So sometimes the best way to actually resolve this problem is to recreate a new Outlook profile. So I have this situation at my work with one of the IT service desk engineer. So my advice was to actually create a new Outlook profile. So let me show you how to do that. So let's say you start Outlook and it keeps on starting in safe mode. Let's close Outlook now, and then we'll go to what you need to do is I'm going to go to Control Panel. Let's open Control Panel, and then from Control Panel here you can see we have let me just search for mail. Let me see. That's the mail Outlook. So here we have our mail Outlook. So you want to actually double click on it, and then you can see we have our email Outlook, and you can see show profile. Here you can see we have one profile Outlook, which of course always starts the standard Outlook we have there. So what we can actually do is the following. We can decide to actually remove this profile and click yes, and then we can add a new profile. We can say, well, I'm going to call this profile, let me just call this profile Kelvin, and then click OK. By clicking OK, it will actually try to recreate the profile. You can see it will try to actually your name is going to actually try to recreate the profile with your email address. So I'm going to enter my password and then retype my password again. So since I'm using a Microsoft 365 email, this is going to go very fast. So I'm not going to do a manual configuration. I'm just going to see, you can see it says searching for Kelv Global, and when it found it, it's going to actually log on to the mail server. So I'm not going to set up Outlook on my mobile phone. I'm just going to say finish. So now we can decide to prompt for Outlook profile, or we can actually always use this profile, Kelvin. So let me just click OK. So what is going to happen is the following. If I go to my start menu and I type Outlook and we search for Outlook, let's click on Outlook. So you can see it's a loading profile. It's going to load the profile and then retrieve mailbox setting. So let's just wait for some time. This is going to go very fast. So here we go. You can see that it says they found anything because this is actually the first time. It will now start to, you see, it's trying to set up a local copy of your mailbox, and it may take several minutes. Depending on how big your mailbox is. So this is how you actually create a new Outlook profile in Windows 11. And if you're having issues of Outlook trying to recreate all the time. Bye.